Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how you can delete or to disable your Spotify listening activity. So your friends that are on Spotify at the same time as you won't be able to see what you're listening to. That's the main purpose of the listening activity. So just open up Spotify, and then when you're on the homepage, tap the settings gear cog at the top right hand corner. Once you're on the settings page, you're looking for the social option. So it is right over here. If you scroll down after devices, it says social, and you can see for me it says unavailable now, and you might come across that error. So all you need to do is, because this is actually playing on my PC at the same time as I'm on my phone, so I'll just select play on this phone, and there you can see it is now ungrayed out. So you can see listening activity, it will be on like that. So you want to make sure that you toggle it down, and then your listening activity won't be enabled for your Spotify account. Make sure it's this option right here that you've toggled down, and that's pretty much all you need to do. I will be doing a desktop version so you can know how to do it on the desktop, but it is pretty similar. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.